Hello everyone, good morning. So this time I came in Mhow to visit the Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar birthplace known as the Janmabhoomi Bhimrao, which is a memorial. Who was so let's see, this is the idol of Bhimrao Ambedkar along with his mother Bhima and his father. So let's see, and I am going to explore the museum of Bhimrao Ambedkar which is in Mhow. So let's explore with me. So let's see with me. I am going inside the museum of Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar. Really, it is looking very good. So I am also going to explain something about Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar. So let's see. This is the idol of Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar. So really, it is very good. So Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar Memorial dedicated to Bhimrao Ambedkar located at Mau in Indore district of MP, and this was the birthplace of the Bhimrao Ambedkar, who was born on 14 April 1891 in Mau, where local government built the grand memorial, and his life journey was till 6 December 1956. So this memorial was inaugurated on the Ambedkar 100th birth anniversary of 14 April 1991 by the CM of MP Sundar Lal Patwa, and the architecture of memorial was composed by architecture E.D. Nimgare. So Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was an Indian jurist, economic, social reformer and political leader who served as the first law and justice minister of India, and who was also a chairman of the drafting committee. And the main important thing is that he is known to be as the father of Indian constitution, which is the longest written constitution in the world. And our total Indian constitution word are containing 1,46,385 words that was written in English version, and the constitution of took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to write. So really this is a very great thing. And even that Monaco constitution is the world shortest written constitution with 3814 words. So this is all about the constitution. And after writing the constitution, the Bhimrao Ambedkar was adopted. Our constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949 by the first president of India. So that day we are also celebrating as a national constitution day in India, and our constitution come into effect on 26 January 1950, and our first constitution assembly of India first met on December 9, 1946. And really, this is the idol of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, mother Bhimabai and father Ramji Maloji Sakpal. So see this. So really this museum is very great. That memorial memorize the memory of Bhimrao Ambedkar birthplace, and this is the Bharat Award got by the Bhimrao Ambedkar. And Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar got the Bharat Award after the date in 1991 by the President Sri R. Venkat Raman. And even Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar also laid foundation stone to the Marathwada Vidyapit University, that is in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra. So let's see. And Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar also converted in Buddhism in Nagpur, and that place is there is a Diksha Bhumi where the mark to convert in Buddhism. And Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar had two wives. One is the Savita Bai and second one is the Ramabai. So this is all about the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who is our father of Indian Constitution. And Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar birthday is just on 14 April, is coming very soon. So let's see, this is the memory and memorial of Bhimrao Ambedkar in Mau. And we know that Maryville Mau is also a one of the cantonment zone of India, and it was the oldest cantonment zone of India. And Dr. Bhimrao father was also worked as a subedar in British time, means Ramoji Sakpal. So thank you so much. I hope you all enjoy. And this is the image of Gautam Buddha along with Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So let's see. Thank you so much. I hope you all are enjoy with me after watching this the museum of Bhimrao Ambedkar in Mau in Indore. So thank you so much.